What makes the perfect daily driver? Is it having 600 horsepower from a supercharged 5-litre V8? Is it having a race-approved tubular roll cage inches from your head? Is it having an exhaust note so loud that you're banned from every small village in Britain? Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the Bowler EXR-S. I love this thing so much. Oh, so raucous. Oh, this thing is just unbelievably good. So good, in fact, that I may have gotten carried away and set myself up for a drag race. Right then, so as you can see, we're going to do a drag race with a difference. I'm in the Bowler on a field, and Edwin is up there in his lovely E46 M3. You might think that both cars are very different, you know, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, about 650 horsepower, about 340 horsepower. However, both cars are green and they both have 4 wheels, so it should be fairly even. Anyway, time will tell. Let's see what wins. No traction. Well, that was awkward. It turns out that road car tyres don't work that well on grass. After that humiliating defeat, why don't we head back to the farm to see where Ethan is? Alright.
Where were you? I was calling you.
Were you?
Yeah.
Where were you?
Well, I was late because my laptop broke and then I hit traffic.
Oh, sounds like a you problem.
Well, yeah, but I've ordered a new one. Can you go and pick it up for me? Is that right?
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll be a little while though, yeah?
That's fine. You can get lunch as well.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Cool.
All right.
All right.
See you in a bit.
Yeah, cool. Before we continue seeing what the Bowler can really do, oh my God!
Look where you're going!
We want to thank this week's video sponsor, Avalon King, and their Armour Shield 9 ceramic kit. If you're like most petrol heads, you probably don't have the time or the money for a professional grade ceramic coating, which can cost into the thousands. So something like the DIY Armour Shield 9 ceramic kit is a great alternative that's like wax on steroids. Application is simple. Once you've cleaned your car, add some ceramic coating to the applicator pad, apply it to the car, wait 60 seconds and then wipe it off. After the coating is cured, you'll have a hydrophobic coating that protects from road grime, adverse weather and the elements. What makes it even better is that you can use a ceramic coating on glass, wheels, lights, and even trim. It works amazingly as a trim restorer, which brings back lasting colour to faded plastics. Something that I think we've all spent countless hours chasing. Avalon King's Armour Shield 9 kit is used by professionals and enthusiasts alike, so if that sounds like something for you, then hit the link in the description and order your kit. Now, back to the mayhem. Wrong car. Time to go into town, but seeing as other drivers are idiots and I'm surrounded by a roll cage, I'm not taking any chances. You may have noticed I am wearing a helmet, and that's because I am covered in scaffolding, so... And if a policeman comes past me, I'll just do that. But that wasn't me, officer. Alright then, so Bowler EXR-S. One of the most crazy things that I will have driven on the road. As you can see, it is pretty much a race-ready off-roader with a tax disc. So the specs are absolutely mental. 5-litre supercharged V8, about 650 horsepower, 0 to 60, I don't know, 3.9, 4 seconds. Mental. Top speed probably going to be about 160, 170 miles an hour. So we currently have 22 miles in the tank, so we need to fill up with fuel first. I have a feeling that's quite a regular occurrence with a car like this. Also, this is a very special car, because this is chassis number 1 and one of only 3 in the UK that's right-hand drive. Jesus Christ, man. This is very, very scary. Oh, the handling is really, really crisp. Considering how high up I am and the fact that this thing is designed to go off-road. Oh my God! The steering rack is instant. Oh, the pops and the bangs already. I'm only doing 40 miles an hour. Jesus. This thing weighs 1,400 kilos. I've got carbon fiber here, here, there, everywhere I see there are swathes of carbon fiber, of leather. Honestly, it's quite a confused car because it's luxurious, but it's loud. It is monstrous, but it's also quite cosseting as well. I bet I'll only be getting about 4 miles per gallon with this. Does it say, oh, fuel filler cap should be on that side. Okay. Oh, there it is. I've already found it. That wasn't even that difficult. However, does anyone have a key? Do we need a key? How do I get in there? Oh, I think this is actually the first time I've ever filled up wearing a helmet. Feels good. If you've not done it yet, then what are you waiting for? Everyone should be driving around with helmets on. Imagine how much safer the world would be. Hello. Number 5, please. The race car. Right, let's go for a little drive. So, fuel stop accomplished. That was actually very easy. About 100 quid. And I have got nearly a full tank. Yes. Actually, no. Why am I celebrating the fact that £100 these days is almost a full tank? That's really sad state of affairs, isn't it? Anyway, I hope to be at the bottom of the tank within about 25 minutes. One thing I can't really get to grips with is the fact that this transmission tunnel is just encroaching so much. Now, you all know me, all right? I'm 6'1", 5'11". All right, I'm 5'7" on a good day, okay? So the point is, my legs are very, very short, but I am really struggling here to fit my little hobbit legs in. My feet are over there, my upper body is over there. My upper body and my lower body are pretty much in different time zones, I'll be honest. But when you've got power and poise and noise and just an incredible feeling mental car, it doesn't really matter where your feet are. It doesn't even matter if you've got feet, as long as you can get the thing moving. Oh my God! Oh! Should we do that again? All right, let's slow down and then we'll do it again, shall we? Ow! My goodness. All it does is just order you to plant your foot. Okay. Oh, geez, man. But yet you can daily drive it. I'm very comfortable. These seats are great. And I feel like I could do big distances in this. And I like that it squeaks and it rattles a little bit. It's just like, yeah, I'm a bit of a race car, okay. And I have to say a massive thank you to Henry from Henry's Car Barn for letting me drive his car. I spoke to him earlier and he said this is his pride and joy. He spent a lot of money and a lot of time getting it just how it is, with the respray, with the interior. And yeah, he's a man of very good taste. Oh my God! Oh, that did really horrible things to my stomach. Even at 30 miles an hour, you're offending people, pissing everyone off. I can only imagine what people in their houses are thinking. I apologise, okay, because I have people around where I live doing this kind of stuff, and it annoys the hell out of me. There's an old lady there, I was about to punch it, and I thought, no, you'd probably kill her. You have to pick your moments with this, because you genuinely might end up giving someone a heart attack. So, town driving, big tick, it is 1:30. Why are these people not at work? We are in a very well-to-do area at the moment, so there's a lot of money around, so they're probably just going for their lunches and their little cheese parties.
With that, welcome to the peaceful town of Stratford-upon-Avon.
Oh, I'm such a head. Oh, shit, no. Keep a low profile. What are you doing, man? Yeah? No? Yeah? So this is probably the most antisocial car I've ever driven, and I've driven some right ringers. I don't think I'm going to be welcome back in Stratford. And I come here quite a lot, which is quite upsetting. Stop it, stop it! It's time for a spot of lunch. What that means is frequenting the local Stratford-upon-Avon McDonald's. So I have a nice list of food let's see what that's like, because it's very important when you're living with a car. How good is it in a drive-through? Hello, could I have a chicken legend with mayo meal and a water? Could I have another chicken legend with mayo meal and another water? And a chicken legend with mayo meal Coke Zero. There we go, let's remain aerodynamic. Oh, yeah? Oh God, just mounted a curb. This thing is very wide. Minus points for width. Oh, he likes it. Everyone likes, sorry. Oh, he just shook his, I'm sorry. He's not a car fan. I forget that there's people around. It's because I got my window closed and my helmet on. Sorry. Yeah? Does anyone want my money? Hello. Just shove it through my little hole. Yeah? There you go. Do you want it? No? Do you like this? Do you want me to rev it? No. Now, I think we may have an issue because I think we're going to have to unload, and you just because I only have a very small hole. I think that's the only way we're going to be able to do this. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. What do you think of the car?
I like it, yeah.
Yeah? It's called a Bowler.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't have any drinks holders, which, oh bloody hell, you've got more stuff for me. Yeah, are you all good? All right, you have a good day. My nutsack is on fire. This is very difficult. Now, obviously, I'm not going to take my helmet off because this is living with, so. I'm just managing to suck the end of it. It can't be done. Bit of mayo. Oh no, I got mayo on my helmet. No, McDonald's in a Bowler. Definitely a 2 out of 10. Anyway, let's eat up, or just chuck it all, and then we'll do some driving, shall we? All right. Right, so now that I've eaten lunch, it's time to go and get this bloody laptop for Ethan. Hello, mate, got to pick up for Ethan's mail.
An important part of a daily driver is boot space, and we're very happy to report that the Bowler's boot space is more than capable of holding one laptop. With a laptop picked up, why don't we head back to the farm and test out the Bowler's passenger comfort with an ever-willing Ethan.
Why do I need to be in here?
Well, it's a Bowler, I just thought you should experience it. You've never been in one, right?
Yeah, but I'm just here to film.
You're here to do a lot more than film. Yeah, hold on. You should probably be wearing a helmet, by the way.
Why are you telling me that now?
Look how good it takes corners.
What?
And then if you just sneeze.
Jeez.
What do you think of that?
That's good.
Look, we can have a conversation. I'm not even looking where I'm going.
Well, do look where you're
Whoa!
going.
Look at the way it just pendulums around. Oh wow, that was a good one. That was.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Would you like to have a go?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
You all right? Is your stomach turning again?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh.
You all right?
Yeah,
Well
really,
done.
really
Well
good.
done.
Yeah, no, thanks for that.
Strong
really
stomach.
appreciate it.
Strong
Yeah.
stomach.
Did you get my laptop?
Okay, so there you have it, the end of a wonderful day with the Bowler EXR-S. And I think we have proven that yes, you can live with this very extreme motor vehicle as a daily driver. The only thing that is a kind of downfall is it's not really good for McDonald's, is it?
No, I didn't pass that test.
No, I mean, it was a 2 out of 10. We established that, that my hole is just too small to receive goods, because he had to do it one at a time.
Okay, yeah.
God, get your head out the gutter. Apart from that, though, it is an astonishing machine on and off the road. Speaking of, how did you feel?
I enjoyed it. It's just queasy at times, but it's good fun. Would you have one of these?
Would I have one? Does it have a Porsche-derived V6? No, so
No
I
idea.
wouldn't. It's not the fact that I can't afford one.
Probably never be able to afford this.
No, you're right. But with knobbly tyres and proper off-road, I'll have another go. I guess all that's left to say is massive thank you to Henry's Car Barn for lending us this magnificent beast. If you'd like to watch more episodes like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on this link and watch more videos down there. From us, from B-Dog Bowler, we'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This way.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.